This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your federal tax return step by step. First, let's gather your essential documents. You'll need all income statements, like your W-2 forms from employers and 1099 forms for other income. Don't forget records for any deductions or credits you plan to claim, such as student loan interest or charitable contributions. Also, have your Social Security number and a copy of your prior year's return handy for reference. This preparation saves time and ensures accuracy. Next, you'll choose how to file your return. You have a few options, electronically or by mailing a paper return. Many people opt for electronic filing using tax software, which can guide you through the process and often offers faster refunds via direct deposit. Alternatively, you can use a qualified tax professional or, if eligible, the Internal Revenue Service free file program. Select the method that best suits your comfort level and financial situation. Now it's time to fill out your return. Carefully report all sources of income, including wages, interest, and dividends, using the documents you gathered. Then, apply any eligible deductions and credits to reduce your taxable income and potentially your tax liability. Be meticulous when entering numbers and personal details. A small error can cause delays, so take your time and ensure every section is completed accurately before moving on. Finally, the crucial last steps: review and submit. Before sending anything, thoroughly review your entire return for any errors, missing information, or overlooked deductions. Once you are confident everything is correct, sign and date your return. If filing electronically, you'll use a personal identification number. Remember to keep copies of all submitted documents, including your W-2 forms and 1099 forms, for at least 3 years for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.